pizza? Ooh, what fishies. That's gonna get smell the fish. What do you think about walking up all the way to the top? All the way to the top now. We caught up. Energized. Woo! Yeah, this is a nice one. Good morning, everyone. It's another episode here at Crimson Beach Resort, and we're going for our buffet. So, not Crimson, sorry. Costa Pacifica. Crimson Beaches. Mexico. Pacifica. We've got the champorado. We've got fresh milk. We've got cereal. Omelette. Boiled eggs. Happy face. Mood pancake. What else do we also have here? Maple syrup. Breakfast sausage. Chicken sausage. Bacon. Daing na bangus. We also have pizza. Ooh, I never expected pizza for brekkie. What's this? Museo De Baler. Oh. What else do we have here? We also have some steamed veggies. And ampalaya. What? That's bitter melon. Ooh, pork tocino, Baler longanisa. Oh my gosh. Pancit Baler. Here, breakfast mashed potato. And we also have garlic rice and soup. Oh, that soup here, arroz caldo. That's what it is. Oh no, I do. And these are there, and then we also have some porridge. Oh, and then my aunties are there. They're also having breakfast. Aunties and uncles. They're having their breakfast time. Now for us to have breakfast, and that's pretty much the breakfast bar. See, that's where they make the pizzas right there too. Cool. Yeah, that's the breakfast area too, right there. So it's good. Cool. So we're here at the rock formations, and you can see it's looking really cool.
Very clean.
Yeah, very clean. You can smell the fishies. That's good. You can smell the fishies. The sand, oh, the water's nice and clear too. You can actually see the water's really clear and clean. We're still making our way to the lighthouse. After the lighthouse, we'll make our way back down with Mom. And then we'll head over to the museum after this. Baler. So the lighthouse is all the way up there. And let's see my aunties and my family's reaction. How do you think about walking up all the way to the top?
15 minutes. Let's go.
Do you feel good? Okay, wow. Okay, I was actually surprised. I thought they'll be like, oh geez. They're actually happy. They're actually happy to go for a walk. For us, we're like, oh my gosh. All right, 10 to 15 minutes. Well, you can see family are very happy. Auntie, did you hear how many minutes it's gonna take? No, that's actually incorrect. They said 35.
Oh my god.
You could take it. Come on, you're gonna lose weight anyway. So back and forth. 1 hour and 30 minutes back and forth. It's okay, Auntie. Don't worry. We have buffet breakfast.
You see your feet are slow in walking.
Very quick. It's only 15 minutes. So 15 minutes up and 15 minutes back. We've got nice sunscreen. So here we go. All right, we just paid for the entrance fee. Now we're going. Yes? Oh, that's fine. They only made it halfway up, and then we'll continue the other half. We'll make it. We'll make the other half. This is the way to the lighthouse. Man, we got to go through up here. All the rocks and stuff. You got to be careful. Whoa! Probably just like there. It's just only very short and steep. And here it's okay now to run. There's Hanskinny. There's the view from there. Meow.
Beautiful. Not too far.
Not too far up there. Let's go. Oh, Tito Ron, you gotta put it back. We're pretty much midway, and we're still making our way to the top. Here we go. Uppy, uppy, up we go. We're actually still going up. We can do it there. Tito Ron's going up now. We're gonna follow. Aunties are going there. Good job, aunties. All the seniors. Great work. They're exhausted. Mom, I don't know where Mom is. But man, this is cool. Never expected this. Alright, let's go. We made it to the top of the lighthouse. What? Sanitary pad? What the heck? Anyways, this is the entrance to the lighthouse. What? Where's the gate? That's the gate to the lighthouse. It's locked. There's Skinny. All the way to the top now. Oh crap, here we go. Like it's only 29 degrees. Shade.
I can smell poo-poo.
Oh crap, yeah. Some idiots pooed here.
Yeah.
Yep.
They came all the way up here.
Some person came here. 100%. A person came here to do a poo. Stupid. But yeah, maybe. Wait. They don't even have any water or tissue paper. Oh jeez. It's a bit freaky actually. Whoa. Shucks. Whoa! It's actually quite freaky to be all the way at the top here. Yeah. Oh, jeez. Now that's pretty much it. We can't go any further. We're pretty much at the top of the lighthouse. This is it. This is it, Tito Ron. There's nowhere else. That's it, Tito Ron. I don't feel safe here though. I just realized I just kept looking up. Doesn't feel safe at all. Oh jeez. Tito Ron and Skinny, smile. They're exhausted. Right at the top of the lighthouse, and you can see rust everywhere. Oh, wait, hold on. Mom is all the way at the car park. She didn't even make it up.
She was the one who was saying, okay, let's do the challenge.
There she is. Mom was like, yeah, let's do the challenge. And now she's still here. We're all here. Yeah, this is the view from here. Right at the top. It's very nice. Right at the top. Yeah, pretty much. So this road here is pretty dangerous. The gate was locked. It just feels crazy, you know. You can just slip underneath. So yeah. Bye.
Okay. We're here in the lighthouse.
Time to go down. Yeah, from the lighthouse. Freaky, but yeah. We're going down now. Sweet. All the way back down there. Now we're making our way down, but here on the right side is just the cliff. So that one's a steep side, this one's not as bad. But you still gotta take it easy and take care. Yeah, there's a pump boat there. Oh, it's a sail and a boat. So far. Hansky needs a sail. It's so funny. Hansky, smile. Nice. All right. So going down, you can already see I'm sweating, and it's only been like how many minutes? Skinny's already there. She's walking down quite quickly. The family left, and they're all down now. Other tourists that are still going up to the top. you know, it might be hard and challenging to come here. But I say if you're still strong and fit, take it easy. Yeah, come here and experience something totally different. Yeah, there we go. I've got a video record now. So apparently, my family is still stuck here when they tried to get up. Picture now. And we caught up quite quickly. And Skinny, smile. Hi. We finally finished it.
The work of the Nepali.
Two guides. Sherpa. So only 3 of us made it. The rest didn't make it because Uncle, he stated he forgot the lighthouse battery. Huh? Oh, he went to the top? Oh, he went to the top. So 4 of us went to the top. Yeah, Mom went halfway. Then she failed. Oh, absolutely sweating. We feel like that we're soaked in sweat. Well, we actually are. On our way to the next place. Here we go. Skinny to the road said, check out, and Skinny's turned into a balut. I gotta eat you. Yeah, there is a slow one. I'll edit it. Here we go. It's a balut. Stayed with us. Dougie wants to also stay here. And we have a nice view right there. No need to pay because we already paid. So we are now at the Sungit Rock Formation, I think. Oh, look at that! Look how tall that coconut is on that pine. Look at that coconut. What a small coconut tree. Yeah. This is we're at like another resort. Here we are. We just came from the other side. The other side of that is all there. On the other side is the lighthouse. But now we're here. Smell. Looks like that guy's doing some fishing. It's a bit sharp. It's good that we've got our shoes on. So take care when climbing up the rock formation. Ooh, nice clear. Nice and clear. I gotta go that way, Tito. So hold on, I'm just gonna have a look at this place. And we were just right there. And we went through the middle in there. We saw an octopus over there. There's multiple octopus. They're hiding. There's octopus right there.
Right? Am I right?
Yes, I think so. I'm not sure. But yeah, there's heaps of like marine life here. Well, we saw like a guy fishing over there too. So what we found is actually not an octopus, but the starfish. See? Yeah, did it move? There's so many other rock formations, you know. Right there. I think that's the one that we can see from the hotel. But yeah, we're just here on this side. Pretty cool. Time for us to go to the museum. Museum time, Hanskinny. Yes, it's really clear, the water. Very clear. Did you get any fish? Is that? Where? Ah. Just one. They only caught one fish. So we're here at Baler Town Center. Not sure if it's a town. Well, it is a town center, right? Yeah. There's the park right there, and they're doing the music. There's a bit of a fountain here, and here's a church. Man. Oh my gosh! Look at this. Back then, wow, they were chopping their heads off, and it's like a winner when they do. Transformation into Christianity. Ooh, there was a tsunami in the past. Yeah, there was. You can see. This is a part of the history. And they built the rock church. And then, this was during the wartime. They stayed in this church for a long time to fight. This is the Filipinos versus the Spanish back then, and they were all trapped. Even when the war ended, they were still there. And then after this, the Japanese. Ooh, there must be gold there. And then the president. What? Apocalypse now? Doesn't make sense. I have no idea. That's a bit funny when they said apocalypse. Anyways, look at this. We're here in Baler. Now on our way to the museum, and here's Quezon Park. It's another tourist destination right here. He's the first president of the Philippines, right? Yes. So here we are at the Museo De Baler. All right, Museo De Baler, right here. Let's go in. Check this out. We're here inside the museum, and it's pretty cool. So I highly recommend when you guys come here, come and visit. It's only 100 pesos. Not much. This one out. 3D model of. Nice. And this is all of Baler. Crap, it doesn't work. Because if it worked, at least we can identify where's what. There's where we are, Sabang. That's where the hotel is. Right there. There, that's the lighthouse right there. And this is Olo Baler. Cool. Correct, after the movie that I was watching, or the documentary. Now this is upstairs. Lula tries to get overloaded with a pedal bike. Top fighter we're gonna be watching at top fight. Where we stayed up there. Check this one out. This one's a bit whoa out there. It's like 3D stuff too. Where? Wait, it's like elemental? He's a tree. Keeping the girl? Hey, Ma. Yeah. Good job, Ma. Mom did it. Yeah. There's Mom right there. Hand skinny. Woohoo! Nice. This is nice pool right here. Wait. There's a step, Hand skinny. Be careful. There's steps. You don't have goggles. See? Nice. We're here. We're enjoying the pool.
I like the temperature. Yeah. I like the water temperature.
Normal. It's like a nice private pool, you know. This is so cool. On that side, there's like a bar there. The boys would love it here. The boys would love it. Easy there. Did you just go down? Nice. Yeah, this is a nice one. Look, where's Mom? At least Mom's getting her exercise. They've got a nice bar here too. See, man, look. Yeah.
Nice. All the kids will like.
We've got a nice bar here.
They like this. Yeah. The kids will like it. Hello, kids. Oh, you missed this one.
Next time.
Next time. Rylan said, can I go, Mamita? Can I go, Mamita? And Siler can go. Kyril can go. And Bryson can go. Oh my! One more. Go.
I did it easy. That's easy one, Auntie. We'll do the opposite way now. The other way around. Look at that, look. Aunties are all relaxed in this big. Look at them. So what we did, we're relaxed too. We're very relaxed. Yeah. Oh, our feetie.
I can't reach it.
She can't reach it. But yeah, we're on one like that. We had a fun day today. We went to so many places and now we're just going to have dinner. It sounds like the music is finished. We enjoyed our time here in Baler. There's a bit more stuff here, but we didn't do as much as we could have because we didn't really prepare coming here. There's a bit more natural stuff to see apparently, like massive holes. So in the cove, it's really clear. So we were looking at TripAdvisor and we recommend going to check that one out. But yeah, when you come here, it's good to prepare and see what else you can do so you don't have to rush. But overall for us, we've had a wonderful time here in Baler. And we'll be going back tomorrow. It's in another adventure again. Sweet. Oh look! I think Uncle's too tired. They don't want to go. Swimming in their exam. It's time for us to eat again. Woohoo! There's like way more people here than the other place. Pizza